In today's video, I am sharing a recipe of weight loss laddu without sugar, ghee and jaggery. It is excellent for weight loss, plus it is good for people with diabetes who want to eat something sweet. For this, we'll be first taking the dates. What I have done, I have taken these normal dates which have seed in them. So I'll be de-seeding them. If you can get seedless dates, that is perfect. Then you don't need to do this step. Dates are a good source of fiber. They help in relieving constipation, excellent source of potassium, magnesium, copper, iron, vitamin B6. Plus they have a lot of antioxidants which are disease fighting. And I find it a nice way of having dates. Now I am done with this step and finally de-seeded all the dates. These are seedless dates. Now what I will do, I will be taking soaked almonds. There is a reason for taking soaked almonds. If you want to get the maximum benefits of eating almonds, then you need to soak it. What soaking does, it removes the tannin. Once we remove these peels, we unlock all the nutrients and all the nutrients of the almonds will be better absorbed. Almonds are superfoods and are must to be included for people who want to lose weight or who want to manage their diabetes. So I am done with peeling all the soaked almonds. So the next thing what we are going to do is to roast all our nuts, especially the soaked almonds, as they have a lot of moisture content which will reduce the shelf life of our laddu. So make sure to roast the soaked almonds. Next we are going to add cashews to it and then we are going to add walnuts. Cashews are low in sugar, rich in fiber, have heart healthy fats which help in increasing the good cholesterol and decreasing the bad one. It is a very good plant protein source and helps to lose weight. Then the walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, helps to lose weight and manage diabetes. So these nuts are very good and it's a nice way to include the nuts and the dates together. This helps to manage our sugar craving while we are on a diet, and especially when we are diabetic, when we cannot have normal sugar laddus. And what this does that, it doesn't increase the blood sugar level as it has a low glycemic index. Now we are going to chop these nuts. We are going to form a coarse powder out of them. Here goes all the nuts into the chopper and now we are going to chop it. Now finally, all the dry fruits have been chopped. I have made a coarse powder. If you are giving it to the kids, then make a fine powder out of it. Now next what we are going to do, we are going to chop our dates also. The chopping of the dates allows the easy binding of the laddu. This will act as a binding agent to bind all the dry fruits and form a laddu. Now what we are going to do, these are the chopped dates. Into that we are going to add our nuts and give it a good mix. If you don't have this kind of chopper, you can do this in a blender jar of your mixie. But give it a push so that it is not made a puree. Now we are going to mix it and then finally form the laddu out of the mixture. Now this is the dates and nuts mixture. We are going to mix it well with the help of our hands and then apply ghee on your hand and form laddu out of it. You can make any size laddu according to your wish. These laddus can be kept in an airtight jar for almost a month. Nothing will happen to them. You can store them at normal room temperature. There is no need for refrigeration also. But make sure to eat it every day. The best time to eat these laddu will be in the morning or mid-morning snacks. Try and avoid it in the evening part as it has calories, obviously because of the presence of dry fruits and your dates. These laddus are not only super easy to make but they are super yummy also. So make sure to eat them and do let me know in the comment section how you like it. Are you people going to try it? If you like the video, do like and share the video with your family and friends. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for getting more videos about good life and healthy food. And if you are following me on Facebook, do follow my page for more such updates.